Hey, Ben!
The call of the wild. The answer? Yes. Grab the getaway. Find your spot. Let the good times roll. One click. Instant fire. The feast begins. Hear that sizzle? No, that's a sound. Life speeds up. Almost dropped the ball. Flip the script. The griddle's hot. Dinner in minutes. The perfect sear. The perfect night. A look. A toast. Future in the making. Years fly by. More people. More plates. More to love. With more hearts to feed. Time to fire up the fusion. One grill for every craving. One feast for the whole family. This is what it's all about. Together.
Dad, I want more meat.
The same fire, the same friends. The tails get taller, the flavors get deeper. Feeding all your people and the next generation, the big fusion handles it all. Do you think you're just cleaning the grill until you realize that you're polishing memories that last? You know, you build a life one barbecue at a time, and I wouldn't trade a single moment. LAUDLIFE. Flavor grilled, moments kindled,